Guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix this issue of no device found on a Dell Latitude. But this solution works on almost all Dells. So now it's a Latitude E6410. Yes, you can see it. I think, yeah, there's some couple of things I have to do here to avoid darkness so that you guys do 100% benefit in this. Okay, that's it. You can see E6410. So that's the issue here. So but it says no device found. That simply means there are not two things they know what. The system cannot see your hard drive. That's what it means in short terms. Then what you're gonna do is say press any key to reboot. Okay, you can press any key to reboot, but then when you reboot, I want us to go to press F. F what? I want, guys, I'm sorry about that. So I need to, tells me that, but anyway, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press what they call F2. Let me press here. I'm gonna switch off the computer here. When it's on its way coming, I'm gonna press the F2 key. I'm pressing the F2 key. You can see. Okay. When you press the, what you have to do is you're gonna go to boot sequence and change to, if it's in legacy, put it on UEFI, but if it's in UEFI, put it in legacy. So what you do, you put it here, then you apply. After applying, I'm applying. Yeah, guys, choose one of the two. You apply. After applying, then you exit. You say, do you want to save the changes? You say yes. Okay. It went off. So now I'm going to switch on the machine again. Okay. These steps should work for you. That step, it will work for some people. Another step will work for other people. Okay. Can see no bootable device found. That didn't work for you or someone else, but there are people who are theirs worked for that. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna go to step 2. Step 2, we're gonna press F5 as it says. F5. So it's going to diagnose stuff, testing everything. You can see it's about to complete, but now look what is amazing. It says hard drive, non hard drive detected. That simply means there is no hard drive in this machine, or the hard drive was maybe crashed. So it's crashed the hard drive. So now it's gonna give you this. Don't do this because it's gonna give you close to 30 minutes to do the testing color pass. Once you say yes, it's fine, but now it's gonna give you after leaving this screen, it's gonna give you to test the memory and all that, which is gonna take a lot of time. You get me? So that will take a lot of time. So now we know what we don't have. These pass, and all that. So to make a long story short, we're gonna switch off the machine. After switching off the machine, we see if it changed to UEFI. If it did, then we know that no, there's something wrong here. So I'm gonna go to F2, be pressing F2 here. Turn the machine, go to F2. I want to go to BIOS, that's where I want to go. Okay, didn't take me there, but let me go here. It's here. Let's see to boot sequence. Yeah, you see, we saved it in UEFI. So even if it put it in Legas, it won't go anywhere because it said the hard drive is not okay. So I'm gonna switch off here and we check our drive. Okay, close here. Take out the charger. I've got two Dells here. Okay, hard drives for Dells, they are, it depends which one you have, but in most cases, this is also a Latitude. Yeah, most cases they are not far. So on this model, the hard drive is here. So take it out and put a new one to see. Okay, so you see even there's a tape on here because this is for a client. I've worked on this, I know. Okay, take out this, where the hard drive goes. Wow, to the amazement, the hard drive was stolen. You can see that the computer, the diagnostic software, it works well. It told us the hard drive is missing. This 100% hard drive was taken out, so the only issue we have here, the hard drive is not there. If it's there, take it out, put in a new hard drive or another second hand hard drive which is working, then you test it. Or if you don't have another drive, take it and format it in a different computer if you want to format it, or test it in a different computer. If it works, then you're fine. But in our case, we have to buy a hard drive. You get me? Guys, I hope this helps you, or I hope this will work for you 100%. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Our issue is the hard drive. You get me? So guys, yeah, that's it. Once we put in the hard drive, our computer is gonna be fine. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.